In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a local copy of your Figma file. This quick method is perfect for creating a backup, keeping a version you can archive, or sharing your design with someone who needs to open it independently of your team workspace. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand exactly what's happening at each step. With your design open in Figma, look to the left side of the top bar. You'll see the Figma icon, the colorful mark that opens the main app menu. Go ahead and click that icon on the left side. This opens a menu that controls file actions and project settings. From that menu, choose Save Local Copy. When you select this, Figma packages your current file into a .fig file, which is the native Figma format. Your computer will begin downloading it automatically, or your system may ask where you'd like to save it. Either way, you'll end up with a standalone copy stored locally on your machine. That .fig file includes your pages, frames, components, and styles exactly as they are at the moment you saved. It's an excellent way to lock in a snapshot of your work. If you're collaborating, this gives you a safe fallback in case you need to reference an earlier version or hand off a file without giving someone access to your entire project. If you're working in the browser, the file typically goes to your default downloads folder. In the desktop app, your operating system might prompt you for a location. If your security settings ask for permission to download, that's normal. Just proceed according to your system's prompts. A few helpful notes: as you use local copies, the .fig file is self-contained, but linked libraries or fonts that aren't installed on the recipient's computer may need to be resolved when the file is opened elsewhere. Embedded images stay with the file, so your layouts and assets remain intact. Also, this action doesn't replace Figma's cloud version. It simply creates a separate local backup you can keep, move, or store in your preferred archive. If you don't see Save Local Copy in the menu, make sure you're in the editor with a design file open, not in the file browser, and that you're using a recent version of the app. Some menus look slightly different between the browser and desktop app, but the option is the same. And that's it. Click the Figma icon on the left side, then click Save Local Copy. You now have a reliable local backup of your design,